Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sitting on the floor because I'm about to film my very first DIY pedicure. So I have my nail kits in here, and then I'm going to use my UV nail lock. Okay, so let's start. So these are the tools that I'm going to use for my DIY pedicure. As you can see, it's been a long time since I cleaned it. I usually go to the salon to do it, but since it's locked down, I have to do it on my own. And it's cheaper, of course. So I already took out the nail polish, and now let's clean the toenail. Right now I am done cleaning it, and we're going to put the gel polish. Here I have the base top, the top coat, and the color polish. Actually this is color dark red with glitters. Yeah, one of my favorite. already put the top coat because it's already second layer, but for me I'd like to have a third layer. Okay, you can put the top coat for the last part. So yes, I'm finally finished, and this is the result. So for the next videos, I will be doing my hand nails. Till next time guys, thanks for watching.